And I am so proud of everything that they have accomplished today. And I'm so proud to be their pastor. Put your hand together for our young people one more time, and they make sure that every one of them, I can't even go through all the names, but every one of them, they work to make sure it happens. Folks, on behalf of Pastor Allen and myself and the entire church family, we want to say thank you so much and how much we appreciate you for all that you have done. Amen. And how can I forget Brother Ryan? Ryan, do all the jerking today. Yeah. Just a little assistant from me, but you know, he did well. He did well. I can almost leave him at his own now. Just have to see with the madness. Amen. Our Pastor Allen was right there in the kitchen with me. I ain't going to tell you what happened though. Tell you, we were trying to make some vegetable soup, but just with peas alone. And I left Pastor Allen there and it burnt up. but